Hello everyone, my name is Marcos Augusto and I'm here to present a seminar whose theme is Carbon Nitride Single Atoms, a mid approach to photocatalytic conversion of methane. This is a panoramic vision of a recent research line of a group. Our group works mainly with photocatalysis and this theme is a hot topic in this area. So, methane is an abundant gas from several sources, such as natural gas, petrol systems, fermentations, coal mining, manure maintenance, landfills, and others. And it is a gas used for cooking, electricity generation, and is the building block molecule in chemical industry. Uh, The bigger problem when we treat it with methane is that methane is a greenhouse gas, which means that it has a global warming potential 20 times greater than CO2. That is, although this emission is a smaller scale than CO2, its potential for damage is quite high. The issue here is to recycle methane, which is a greenhouse gas, and convert it to other value chemicals such as methanol, ethanol, and others. One bigger problem when treating methane is that methane is a highly stable molecule, and any reaction that we proceed requires drastic conditions such as high temperatures, high pressures, which is very difficult to make and put on the industrial scale. So one of the main products of methane conversion is methanol, which is an important chemical compound that acts in the generation of energy through fuel cells technology and acts as a building block compound in the chemical industry. Here we present some bond energies of several hydrocarbons, and we see that methane is one of the most stable, closest to benzene, which is a high stable molecule. So instead of using high temperatures or high pressures, we can use photons to drive chemical reactions. This process is called photocatalysis. This could be a great approach once that several photocatalysts, such as titanium dioxide, possess high oxidation potentials. In this way, we can oxidize methane and make it more susceptible to chemical transformation. Or we can provide you a better approach to convert this methane into methanol through photocatalysis using only light instead of temperature or pressures. One of the photocatalysis that we use in our group is carbon nitrogen, which is a polymer made of carbon and nitrogen in a proportion of C3 and 4. And recently, some research groups have found that some ions like sodium and potassium can be intercalated in the carbon-nitrogen structure, giving rise to the possibility that transition methods can be inserted in this matrix. In this case, we can put other metals such as iron, copper, nickel, among others, and coordinate them as single atoms. Single atoms photocatalysis provides a better control in the active sites and enable a greater use of metals since each atoms contribute to the chemical reactions. So the overall, This is the main object of this research field. When we drive chemical reactions of methane to methanol with single atoms carbon nitrates with metals such as iron, copper, nickel, and others. This is the reference that we use to in your work. Thanks to everyone.